My name's Bronwyn.
And I'm James.
We've been wanting to update the kitchen since literally the day we moved in. There's this one walk in particular that James and I do quite often. There are a row of olive trees that are just so gorgeous. It's that kind of dusty green, and I just find it really soothing and calming, and I really want that for our new space.
We use the Taubmans Coloursmith reader, which is pretty easy to use.
Yeah, and lots of fun actually. You just scan colours in the environment, whatever colour inspires you. You can then look at similar colours, you can look at combinations. It's a really, really fun way to start to put your own personal stamp on your space. We ordered our sample pots from Taubmans, which they sent us. We tested them out, and this is the colour that we've named Oliver. So really excited to crack the tops off these, stir them up and see how they look. Here we are in our gorgeous new kitchen. Thank you so much to Taubman's Coloursmith app for helping us get the exact right shade.
Yeah.
We went bold, no regrets. You gotta have the right tools when you're doing a job, and the Coloursmith app is absolutely a tool that you need when you're designing a space.